Let's look at how you can host a static website on an S3 bucket in AWS. First, navigate to S3. Click on the bucket that you would like to host your website on. Then check that you have an index.html file and ideally an error file as well. You can upload these using this button here. Then go to the Properties tab. Scroll down until you see Static Website Hosting. Click Edit. Then simply specify your documents. In this case it is index.html and error.html. Then press Save Changes. Once you have done that, you can scroll down to the bottom and you can open your static website. And there you have it. That is how you host your static website on AWS using an S3 bucket.